Hello! Today I am going to talk about how to get rid of spots. This is a question that's coming up for me a lot at the moment. So I thought it was time to talk about it. So spots are happening because there is a build-up of dead skin cells inside the pores, and the dead skin cells can't get out, it swells, it makes a big spot. So that's what we're going to address today. So what do we do about it? The very best thing you can do to help any kind of spots, whether it's mask related spots or regular spots, is do an effective, thorough cleanse of the skin. So when I say effective, I mean you need to get into the pores and get out the dead skin cells that are making the spots. If you're just going to use a cleansing wipe, you're just wiping over the surface of the skin and it's just taking off just the tiniest bit of debris, you're not getting into the pores. I am wearing like a mask around my face here, I'm wearing a visor over here, and constantly I'm getting these spots in this area because your skin can't breathe. So we need oxygen to the face, to the skin. But what's happening is makeup and debris that's sitting on top of the skin is getting pushed back in. Also, we're breathing out toxins that is supposed to go naturally out into the air, but those toxins are sitting on the skin. And it's not great, but we're going to sort it out. So today I'm going to try and keep it really simple because there's obviously loads of Dermalogica products that you could use which are going to help you, but I'm really going to try and keep it simple because I know sometimes it gets complicated. Okay, let's do it. So first of all, pre-cleanse. So why do we have to cleanse twice? What's that about? So we're cleaning the skin twice because the first cleanse is removing makeup. You need to break down the makeup before you can actually clean the skin. So that's really important. So if you haven't got pre-cleanse and a cleanser, you need to be doing two kinds of cleanses. Okay, so there's two pre-cleanses. There's pre-cleanse normal, which is like an oil base. My favourite is the Precleanse Balm. This is awesome. So pre-cleanse balm, so a little bit like that, and I am going to apply it to the skin. This is going to break down your makeup. I love Precleanse Balm because it comes with this mitt, and look at all the little bubbly bits. So these little bubbly bits are going to really help to get into your pores. Bigger bubbly bits there. So I'm going to go over with my pad. So when we're cleaning the skin, we do exactly the same to the face. We're going to do it to the neck. Really important. So next we're going to go on with our cleanser. So this is really going to clean the pores. You can use any of the Dermalogica cleansers, they're all fantastic. The one I'm going to focus on today is Active Clay Cleanser because this is excellent at breaking down debris, fighting spots. So it is a clay. Now this has got activated charcoal in it, which is fantastic for the skin. Also what I love about this cleanser, you can see exactly where it's going. So often I clean my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and then totally forgetting about areas like this. You don't want to go over the eyes with the cleanser because that can stick. And the nose is important. This is the area I'm suffering with. Oh. So there we go. Now you can see my makeup's off and everything. You can see the breakouts, and my skin's gone really pink because I'm usually an ultra calming girl. I like the ultra calming range because I do get extra sensitivity, but we're doing the spots today, so this is what my skin needs. So next I'm going to go on with the Age Bright Clearing Serum, which is going to help tackle the breakouts. Now this is a 2-in-1 serum. I've just got to put it into my hand there, sort of smooth it out onto your hands. I'm going to go all over with it, so it's helping to push everything from the bottom of the pores up to the surface. So this is called Age Bright Clearing Serum because it's not only kind of a spot fighting product, it helps with aging as well. How brilliant is that? So this is just smoothed over my skin. Serum is quite watery, but it's the serums that really put the nourishment back into the skin. So next of all, I'm going to go over with the Age Bright Spot Fader. Just tiny dobs. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand. Just put this directly onto where you're really suffering. And again, that's going to really help to clear the breakouts, but also that it's got ingredients in it that are repairing the skin from prior breakouts, which again is amazing. It's doing lots of different things in one go. And last of all, I'm going to finish up with the moisturizer. So just something quite lightweight. I'm going for Skin Smoothing Cream. We're just going to blob that around again. I'm going to try and avoid the areas that have got the spot fader on. There we go. Cleansed, spots are treated. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. See ya, bye.